and we do the Wave Alkaline Water. And when we started our journey, which company we need to go through for the machinery? And we have seen a lot of companies, and we have gone through and finalized the machinery from Dharmanandan Techno Projects. And these machineries are very good and high efficiency and low maintenance. And we are using automatic machinery in our plant. And I suggest Dharmanandan company, these staff give very good service and very good customer service and technical support, and undoubtedly you can go with this Dharmanandan company machineries. If anyone does require any machinery regarding the water plant, and no, undoubtedly you can visit Dharmanandan Techno Projects. Thank you.